It's me, Mike here, and today we are playing more stick fight. Yeah, we're still making more stick fight. You better need your weapons to enter this fight. Normally you do. Also, if you want me to play in the School of Chaos games, I wish Austin would come there and go play School of Chaos games because he's my crush. Actually, in the comments when in Austin's love, he comments that he likes my neck, likes to be a husband, and zip his tongue out on my mouth. Okay, let us go. Why is it working? If somebody needs to fight, fight me, cause I'm the best. Fight me, I am the dress. Hello? There we go, I'm back. Now let's go play more. 1, 2, 3, fight! We're gonna tap. 1, 2, 3. Oh god! Wait, I'm gonna break you cause I got the sword. Oh yeah, I'm a fast tapper. Boom, boom, boom. No, what the fuck? Fuck. I got my high score 207. And it's really successful. I didn't know I can do that much. But of course I can do that much. Bonus drain. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna break my high score to 220. Let us see if we can do that, folks. Oh god, this is getting more hard. Oh yes, we're catching up. We're catching up. We're catching up. Yes! Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. No! It's 165. Ass clowns. Okay, let's do that again. Boom, boom. Wait, what the fuck? Ads! I Where's my food? Food, mommy, food. I want some food. Okay, we're now playing now. Now let's go. Oh god. Okay, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, missed. Boom, 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 boom. Mommy, where's my food? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, there we go. Wait, green? What's happening? Slow time. Nice, it's really useful. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh god. Great, I'm dead. And I'm dead, and I'm dead, and I'm dead. Where's all my chicken? Okay, now I'm here. Okay, let's play. Better all if I eat every piece of chicken. So good. Let's go play. What the fuck? A tap at my back. Yeah. No! Ads. Fucking great. Okay. Let's go. You motherfucker ass bitch. Oh yeah. Can't mess with me cause I have the sword. Fear me. Yeah. You shall not pass. Oh yeah. You shall not pass. You cannot pass through me, yo. Oh god, this is more hard. Good thing I'm catching up and I'm gonna break my own high score. Fuck you! What the fuck? What the heck? Well, okay. One of the stickmans just hurt me, then hurt their own stickman. The fuck? Let's go back and get more power-ups. I need the power. Literally. Okay, let us go. I've got the power. Oh yeah. Blood letter. Shock. Soul time. Bonus drain. Let's see. Increase the chance that your weapon drains. Crap. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. God. It's a miracle. Oh god. What the fuck? It freeze. I just tapped. I am a sort of a ninja. The blood shatters in my veins, and now you're gonna pay back, by taking one of your souls. Cause I am a bloodletter holding sword. I got the sword holding now. You better run, cause I got the sword. Bloodthirsty hog. You better not ever get inside of my tribe. I don't think I'm gonna make my song, but Fandroid is gonna make it. So one of my friends from Fandroid, I think, or some of my friends from the roleplay thinks that Fandroid is putting a new song from the series about. Oh God! Yes, I did it! I break my own score. It's 235. Yes! I didn't even think I could even break my own score. But I did. I'm the king! And I've got the power. Every piece of chicken. What about? Wait. Oh God. Wait, just wait, guys. I'm gonna eat my own chicken.